Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add borders to an image in Snapseed. If you don't know how to add borders to an image in Snapseed, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app. Now, click on the plus icon to add the image that you want to add borders to. For now, I'll choose this image. Now here, click on Tools at the bottom menu and you can see different options here. To add borders to your image, click on Expand option. Now you can choose the color of your borders from white, black and smart fill. For now, I'll choose black borders. Now increase the borders according to your need. And once you're happy with your borders, click here to save changes. And just like that, we have added borders to our image in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.